Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for the Philips monitors. The monitor troubleshooting card. The monitor troubleshooting card is attached to each monitor arm in each med-surg room. The card is to help the clinical staff begin troubleshooting issues with regard to vital signs not flowing over into Guardian LCR. The hope is that it will enable clinical staff to be able to get resolutions to these types of issues quicker. Troubleshooting tips. Most issues are from the monitor not being connected to the network. Check the network cable to make sure it is plugged in. It gets unplugged sometimes so that the interpreter phone can be connected, and then it doesn't get plugged back in when the phone call is completed. Be sure to turn the monitor off and on after plugging the network cable back in. Wait approximately 3 to 5 minutes for the network connection to stabilize and see if that gets the vital signs to flow over. Sometimes just turning the monitor off and on fixes other issues also, especially if it is showing a network connection issue and the cable is plugged in. Another good tip is patient name will be in capital letters if it was entered in the monitor automatically via the interface. If it contains lowercase letters, discharge the patient from the monitor and readmit the patient into the monitor by doing a send patient data command. The patient should be automatically admitted to the monitor if the network connection is working properly. There is no power to the monitor. Check is the monitor plugged in and turned on. If the monitor is plugged in and does not power on, call Biomed at extension 68726. After hours, call the AOD and they will contact Biomed. Biomed also is responsible for repairing and replacing broken BP cuffs, temp probes, and other essential devices connected to the monitor. Verify the correct medical record number and encounter number. Readmit from the pick list if unsure or incorrect. Readmit the patient into the monitor either through the monitor pick list or an LCR using transfer room function. You can transfer into the same room. You will need to discharge the patient from the monitor first if using this method. To select from the pick list drops down if you touch the center of the name bar at the top of the monitor. Validate a set of vital signs to see if this corrected the issue. If it's not working yet, continue on down the card. Next, as you view the card, there are a series of icons. Each icon shows you a distinct connection status for the network. If you look at the card, does the icon in the top left corner look like this? If not, refer to the back of the monitor card for further network troubleshooting. Does the icon in the top left corner of the monitor look like this? This symbol indicates the monitor is incorrectly configured. This is a Biomed issue. Contact Biomed to reconfigure the monitor. If after hours, contact the AOD and they will contact Biomed. In the meantime, manually enter vital signs in LCR. This image indicates the monitor is not visible on the Philips network. Call the service desk for referral to Philips regarding server connectivity. Open a ticket with service desk. Ask the service desk to call Philips service department to open a technical ticket. Leave your name and the charge nurse's name as a point of contact for Philips when they call back. The charge nurse will work with the Philips representative when they call back for more info. Continue to enter your vital signs manually. If the vital signs are still not going to LCR, continue down the card. Continue checking network status. The next image is no network connection at all. Try the adjacent network port on the wall plate if you can, or call service desk for referral to the DPH network group. Open a ticket with service desk. Ask service desk to send the ticket to network. After hours, have the service desk call the MOD to call the network team. Enter vital signs manually. Does the icon in the top left corner look like a giant M? That means absolutely no ZSFG network connection. Again, try the adjacent network port or call service desk for referral to the DPH network group. In order to do that, open a ticket with service desk. Ask the service desk to send the ticket to network. After hours, have the service desk call the MOD to call network and enter the vital signs manually. If you're getting an error message on the bottom right corner, such as database busy, turn the monitor off and then on. If it says the license number of active patients exceeded in IGS, please discharge patients, call the service desk and have them send the ticket to IT applications. If you get any other message, call the service desk, open a ticket, and have them send it to IT applications. Vital signs are not flowing over to LCR on multiple patients, and it seems to be grouped by floor. The vitals may appear as green on the spot check review screen on the monitor. The Guardian server may still appear as connected on the Philips end. When logging into Guardian for the impacted floor, not all rooms will display or will have a significant delay in displaying. The solution is Guardian needs to be restarted by Philips or IT applications. Contact the service desk and Biomed if they are not already involved, and ask to have a Guardian restart done by Philips or IT applications. This usually corrects the issue. You've already gone through and checked the network status and everything is connected. Vital signs are still not flowing over to LCR and Guardian. The back of the card gives you further troubleshooting tips. Go to the monitor Spot Check Trend Smart Key, and what is the color of the latest vital signs that have been taken? If they're white, turn off the monitor, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on. If they are still white, call Biomed. After hours, call the AOD to have them contact Biomed. Biomed is to check the IBE and see if it's connected, and if it's not, they'll call Philips. Are the vital signs pink or purple? Revalidate the vital signs in the monitor or Guardian. Are they still pink? Call the service desk for referral to Philips IBE team. Are the vital signs blue in the monitor? Call the service desk for referral to the Philips IBE. If the vital signs are green and they're still not flowing over, try unplugging and plugging the network cable on the monitor, reboot the monitor, and let it power back up. If the issue is not resolved after trying these steps, Guardian may need a restart. If Guardian requires a restart, IT applications can assist with this, or Biomed can contact Philips after hours.